Hey guys, Grant Kelly here for Intel Unite at ISE 2020, and we're in our conference room of the future here, and I want to show you some of the really cool integrations that we've got going on in what your conference room of the future could look like. So we've got Intel Unite, you know the core capabilities, wireless screen sharing, collaboration, very quick, very simple, but watch this. When I click present on one of my devices here, we get some really cool things to start happening in this room. We've got our glass frosting over for privacy, and we could still have that happen across all of these different clients. So I've got Windows, I've got Mac here, I'm gonna start sharing my screen across a bunch of those. We've also got a really good integration with our partner Jabra here for their camera. Allows us to do some people counting, as well as our Nureva sound bar that's pulling our pin from our hub through. So come over, check us out if you've got time. And for more information, check out www.intel.com/unite. Thanks.